For many homeowners, the idea of repairing a roof on their own can seem like a way to save money and take control of home maintenance. But in places like Plymouth, where seasonal storms, coastal winds, and heavy winter conditions can take a toll on roofing, most residents quickly discover that professional roof repair offers far greater value, safety, and peace of mind than attempting a DIY fix. Choosing an experienced roofing specialist not only protects your home, but also ensures the repair is done right the first time. Local climate requires expert techniques. Plymouth's weather patterns can be tough on shingles, flashing, and ventilation systems. What starts as a small leak can turn into structural damage if not handled correctly. Professional roofers understand how local climate affects the life of a roof. They apply industry-standard repair techniques designed specifically to handle New England's mix of humid summers, nor'easters, and freezing temperatures. D-fixes, especially quick patch jobs, often fail during the next heavy rain or coastal windstorm. A professional repair team examines not just the surface damage but what lies beneath. This deeper inspection helps prevent lingering moisture, mold growth, and wood rot that an untrained homeowner might miss. Safety is a major concern. Climbing onto a roof without proper training or safety equipment is risky. Steep slopes, loose shingles, and slippery surfaces create hazards that even experienced DIY homeowners underestimate. Local roofing contractors are trained to work safely at heights and carry the equipment needed to prevent falls or injuries. They are also insured, which protects homeowners from liability should an accident occur on the property. With professional help, Plymouth homeowners avoid unnecessary risks while ensuring the job gets completed efficiently and safely. Long-term savings versus short-term fixes. It's easy to assume DIY repairs cost less, but only at first glance. Without proper knowledge or materials, a patch may fail, leading to repeat issues and more expensive damage down the road. Professional roofers identify root causes, not just visible symptoms. Whether it's compromised decking, ventilation problems, or damaged flashing, experts fix the underlying issue the first time. This translates into longer roof lifespan, fewer unexpected leaks, better energy efficiency, lower long-term repair costs. In many cases, homeowners also preserve or extend their roof warranty by choosing a licensed contractor, something DIY work can void. Professionals have access to better materials. Roofing contractors in Plymouth use commercial-grade materials designed for strength and durability in coastal conditions. These materials aren't always available at local hardware stores. Contractors know which shingle types, sealants, and underlayment products hold up best in Plymouth's salt air, cold snaps, and heavy snow loads. Quality materials paired with skilled installation mean better protection for your home. Comprehensive diagnosis and code compliance. Roof damage is not always easy to see from the ground or even from the rooftop. A missing shingle may be the result of a deeper ventilation issue or structural movement. Professional roofers inspect the entire assembly, from attic space to ridge cap, to diagnose the problem accurately. They are also familiar with building codes and manufacturer guidelines. This ensures that every repair is compliant and safe, reducing the risk of future roofing complications or complications during a home sale inspection. Peace of mind. Homeowners choose professional roof repair not just for quality results but for confidence and peace of mind. When experts handle the repair, you can trust that your roof is secure and protecting your investment. Instead of climbing ladders and guessing at causes, homeowners get guaranteed workmanship, professional warranties, and expert recommendations to prevent future problems. Final thought for Plymouth homeowners: the roof is one of the most important protective barriers their home has. While a DIY approach may seem appealing up front, the risks, hidden costs, and safety concerns rarely make it worthwhile. Professional roof repair delivers long-lasting results, preserves home value, and ensures your home stays protected through every season. If your roof is showing signs of wear or leaking, partnering with a trusted local roofing specialist is the smartest and safest choice for your home and family.